A dog has to have what they call fight drive. I've been doing this for about 15 years. I've got some excellent dogs. German Shepherds and Belgian Malinois. We do bite work, we do narcotics training.
Yesterday they got through the suit and they actually had bit through. It's quite a rush to have a dog coming at you.
Basic obedience is very important dog program because you don't want a dog that's out of control. You want a dog that any command you give it, it listens, because that dog is a dangerous tool. All dogs have their own personality and their own needs. You got to train each dog in a different manner.
They'll attack on command. If the dog feels that they're threatening you or he feels that they'll attack also.